Gantt Chart template in Excel. Manage your projects. Gantt Chart is the project management tool which makes efficient teamwork possible. The Gantt Chart is a tool for planning and scheduling tasks over a given period. Thanks to an easy and comfortable visualization of the planned actions, it allows you to monitor and control the progress of each of the stages of a project and, in addition, it graphically reproduces the tasks, their duration and sequence, as well as the general project schedule. The Excel Gantt Chart template will help you plan, track and synchronize activities during the execution of your project. In the template you will be able to record settings. In this section you will be able to configure the format of the dates and determine the days off. This will allow you to have control of your scheduled activities. Holidays. Here you can set holidays or non-working days to have control over your scheduled activities. Gantt Chart. Here you can determine activities or tasks, duration in days, start dates and percentage of progress. According to the schedule, the spreadsheet will determine the generated diagram. Dashboard. Visualize a general report of your process according to what has been registered. Using this template in your project management process provides the following advantages: clarity, a simplified overview, performance data, improved time management, flexibility. Template available from Solus Enterprises. Visit our site at n.solusenterprisesstore.com.